What is going on, beautiful people? Big respects to my girl Dupes with her gorgeous smile. She was like the first person that requested this topic. So continuing with the theme of interracial dating, let's see what happened. How about Chinese? Will you date a Chinese guy?
No.
Why not?
Just not my type.
So you wouldn't date a Chinese man? So you wouldn't date this guy right here?
No. Absolutely no. I have a lot of problems with the black ladies because they look at me like, why are you taking my black man?
What was it about the black man that attracted you to him?
Can't say on camera.
Was it the stereotype of the size?
No.
The snake? Was it an anaconda?
No.
Can you guys stop walking so fast, please? My legs hurt. You have to face camera, like. Oh. You guys look fine. You guys look proper.
Well,
See, even they're honking at you. They know you look fine already. Chinese.
No.
What's your favorite type of guy to date?
Jamaican.
I know why you're all covered up. Because you have a banging body, don't you?
Thank you.
Would you date someone from a different race?
Yeah, of course. I would date anyone except my own race, actually.
What's your race?
I'm Arab.
But you know what I heard? Arab girls are hairy. Is that true?
No, it's not.
You don't have lots of hair.
If you take off your thing, is there going to be like more dreads under there?
My hair is real.
Obviously not.
Now the question is your hair real? You would date someone that's like black as the blackberry.
Black as a blackberry. Right? Probably, yeah.
And you would date someone that's white like the clouds up there.
I'm pretty white, so...
Can we have a comparison, side-by-side comparison? The letters on my shirt are white. She's not white. You are light brown.
I'm usually called Casper all the time. I'm actually pretty happy being pale.
All right. Later, Casper. Where are you guys from?
Guyana.
Guyana.
India.
And?
Sri Lanka.
And?
Pakistan.
Pakistani. Would you date like a Chinese guy?
Maybe.
Would you marry him?
No. My mother would kill me, so...
They know Kung Fu. They will protect you.
Yeah.
Like, say my fingernail was a person. Would you date him? Like, say I was blue. Would you date me?
If you're a good person, yes. And you're a human being and you have all your body parts.
A black guy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's no doubt about that. Yeah, I would. Not Chinese, but...
So would you date a black guy with dreadlock?
Actually, I think that's the most attractive kind of black guy there is.
White guys? Anybody? White guys?
Yes. Hollow.
I crushed on them. I wouldn't date one.
Yeah, they're beautiful to look at, but
Yeah.
they're not like
They're not
dating
dateable.
material.
No.
My son's father is Chinese Jamaican, so. Oh, no, Chinese Guyanese. Oh my God.
You called a Guyanese a Jamaican? You know how offensive that is?
I know, it's just, they're all the same, anyways.
You offended my dreadlocks.
Sorry, well, that's not even real.
I've dated a black guy. I've dated an Afghani guy.
Would you bring a black guy home?
I'm not allowed.
Would you date yourself if you were a guy?
What question is that?
Pakistani, of course.
No, I wouldn't date a Paki guy.
Why? Because you're too hairy?
Oh, wow. You know me so well.
I don't mind Filipinos.
You're not Asian.
I would date them. They're still kind of half Chinese in there.
So is Obama black or is he white?
He's black.
He's white.
But he's black.
He's white.
Isn't he half?
You would date a Jamaican guy with dreadlocks?
Yeah. I love dreads.
Yeah. See me after. What would be like your ideal person? Like skin color, race, inside personality? Leave your thoughts and comments down below in the boom box. And of course, it is Friday, so I can't leave you without this week's riddle. Until next week, I'm Leroy Stedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Me out. So would you date me like for real?
I didn't have
Like-
a boyfriend.
So like, see, that's what girls always talk about. When guys approach them, they say, "Oh, I have a boyfriend already. I already have a boyfriend." This isn't my real hair.
We didn't know that.
I had you guys fooled.